Here you can analyze the clicks and activities associated with the trigger links, so you know how a trigger link is performing. So trigger links allow you to put links inside of SMS messages and emails, and this allows you to track customer actions and trigger events based on when the link is clicked. So to begin with this section, go ahead and click on this date range right here. And then you can select a specific date range you would like to view on your calendar here. And then once you have that selected, go ahead and click on this green checkbox on the bottom. Here you'll see the total clicks timeline, and then this is going to show you every trigger link on the bottom. So all of these trigger links here on the bottom are different colors and they all represent something else. If you ever want to reset your data, go ahead and click on this refresh tool, and this will update your data. When you scroll down, you'll see the trigger link name as well as the total number of clicks. You can toggle the trigger links to show in ascending or descending order by clicking on these arrows here. You can also do the same thing with the clicks. You can show in ascending or descending order by clicking here.